Everyone, welcome to Online Cash. On this platform, we talk about how to make money easily online. Today, we'll be talking about a platform called Ton Farming Dex. On this platform, you mine by doing tasks and inviting your friends. Now, I'll show you how you can earn on this platform easily and get to the withdrawal the minimum withdrawal within a day, which is $5. So the minimum withdrawal is $5, and you can get that $5 in a day if you are creative enough. Now I'll just log into my dashboard to my account. Now I have multiple accounts. I have about 12 accounts, or about 13 accounts. So if you want to um earn in a day, you can create multiple accounts or you invite. So either you invite or you create multiple accounts. So by creating multiple accounts, I mean you create multiple Gmail accounts, then use it to sign up on it. Just take one of the link, sign up on one of the accounts with all the 12, and you get your 5 USDT for withdrawal. Now I'm going to just log into my account so that you see how it works. So I'm just going to sign in with one of my um, email accounts so that you will see how this work. So just wait, it takes time to load. Most times this app, you need what is it called, VPN, to open it. So you download the VPN. The name of the VPN is called okay, after I'll show you the name of the VPN later so that you can use it to open this website. Because if you try to um, sign into this platform, it will not work until you use VPN, and I will show you how to connect the VPN and all you have to do. Now coming to this platform, this is not my main account. I told you I created multiple accounts, so I just created this one to explain it. Now after you've done your registration with the link in the description section of this video or at the comment section of this video, you just scroll up. When you scroll up, you see available tasks. So when you do those tasks, you don't have to do those tasks, just press start task, and after it load, it will show claim reward. So you just tap on the claim reward and automatically it claims without you doing anything. So if you do those 5 tasks, each task is 60 and TFG. So each of the tasks. So if you do those 5, is automatically 300 TFG, and 300 TFG converted to USDT, which is dollar, is about $1.5. $1.5. So there is it. So and after doing those tasks, you can earn by referring. Like I said, the minimum withdrawal is $5. So for you to get this $5, you have to refer. But if you can't refer, just create multiple accounts, multiple Gmail accounts. So I have about 13 Gmail accounts. That is what I use. I not even have up to 13 Gmail accounts. It's because of this platform I just created. So it doesn't take time. In 1 minute you can create one account. So in 30 minutes you can create up to 30 accounts. If you want to, you can create 30 accounts or more than safe. So it depends on how you are serious with this platform. So after creating about 12 accounts, and I got the remaining $3.5, so which made it $5 the minimum withdrawal, and I've already withdrawn from my main account. Now if you want to convert your coin, so like this is how to, I've showed you how to do the tax. So you see available tax, then you tap on it. Now you come to your wallet, just wait. So if you want to invite anybody or you want to invite yourself, so just copy the link, paste it somewhere, and click on the link. Make sure you are using what is it called, VPN. Make sure you are using VPN. So as you can see, I've not referred anybody with this platform. I'm just using it to make this video. So as you can see, 300 TFG is equal to $1.5. So if you can refer about 12 people, you get the minimum withdrawal. So that is it. Then you can convert it to ton. You can convert it to ton or USDT, but you must use ton wallet to withdraw it. It must be ton wallet, not Binance. It must be ton wallet. You get? So either you convert it to ton or USDT. Mine, I converted mine to USDT. So that's what I did. So how to convert it? You just come here. You can see here 300 TFG. Just come here on this swap. If you look at the up, you see swap. You tap on the swap. Just wait for it to load. It takes time before it loads. So you can see swap. Just tap on it and you see TFG. Tap on this one. Convert it to USDT. Now you tap on it. You have 300. Your balance is 300 MTFG. So you just put 300 here. So it will show you the, so you will receive 1.5 USDT. So just tap on swap and you wait for it. Just wait for some few minutes for it to load. Okay, you can see swap is successful. You have received 1.5 USDT. So if you come back here to the wallet and if you look up there, you see stake. Now it's not advisable for you to stake because you don't know when this platform may crash. So you see this platform that give free USDT like this, you don't know when they might crash. So it's not advisable for you to stake. So after reaching the minimum withdrawal, just withdraw your money. Now as you can see, I've swapped it to USDT. Now when you get to the minimum withdrawal, which is 5 USDT, you just come here, tap on USDT, then you tap on the amount you want, then you put your Ton wallet here, request your withdrawal. In few hours, or it takes about 24 to 48 hours for you to get your money. So that is it. That is how it works. So thank you for watching. If you want more of this video or you have any question about this video, just write at the comment section and I will answer. I would like you to subscribe and like this channel. Thank you. So about the VPN that you should download, so just come to your Play Store, you tap on search, so you tap on tunnel. You can see it here, tunnel beer VPN. Look at the up there, tunnel beer VPN. So just tap on it and you can see it, this VPN, tunnel beer VPN. So you just install it, register and put your Gmail account, register your Gmail account, then you just connect to any country of your choice, any country apart from Nigeria. Just connect to any country of your choice, then use it to sign up on the platform, use it to work on the platform. So that is how it works.